In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the trash can in Otter.ai. Whether you've accidentally deleted important notes or simply want to clean up your workspace, knowing how to locate the trash can in Otter.ai is an essential skill. Let's dive into this simple process. First, you need to go to the Otter.ai website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, otter.ai. Once the page loads, you'll notice the streamlined interface designed to make navigation straightforward. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see the login option. Click on that to proceed. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. These are the details you used when you initially signed up for Otter.ai, such as your email and password or any social media logins you may have used. Once you've entered this information, click to log into your account. If you have two-step verification enabled, be sure to complete the additional security steps to gain access to your account. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now, at the top right corner of this page, you should see an icon labeled For You. This space is a quick access menu tailored to show items relevant to your current activity on Otter.ai. Click on this For You icon to unfold a drop-down menu that provides further options for you to explore. In this drop-down menu, one of the options you will see is the trash. Keep in mind that the trash section is where all your deleted conversations and notes are stored temporarily. It acts as a safety net, allowing you to recover any accidentally deleted information. Click on the trash link to open this section. Within the trash, you'll have the opportunity to browse all the conversations you've deleted. They are organized for easy navigation, so you can quickly find any notes you wish to review or recover. It's important to remember that notes in the trash won't stay there indefinitely. Depending on Otter.ai's data retention policy, items in the trash might be permanently deleted after a certain period. If you want to restore any deleted item, look for the restore option next to the conversation or note and simply click to recover it back to your main list. And that's it. You now know how to find, manage, and restore your deleted notes in Otter.ai's trash section. This can save you a lot of stress in case of accidental deletions and help maintain an organized digital space. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial, and happy archiving!